Hey, welcome to the channel. Today, let's explore how a plant-based diet can revolutionize your health and energy levels. Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can significantly improve your overall well-being? It's true. Today, I'm excited to unpack the incredible benefits of adopting a plant-based lifestyle. Many people face common health issues such as low energy, digestive problems, and weight gain. These challenges can often be linked to diets high in processed foods and animal products. But here's the good news: the solution lies in the power of plant-based foods. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your diet, you can fuel your body with essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. These nutrients are vital for boosting energy levels, enhancing digestion, and promoting overall good health. Let's dive into the science behind it. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can reduce inflammation, lower the risk of chronic diseases, and improve heart health. It's not just about anecdotal evidence, there's solid research supporting the transformative benefits of a plant-powered way of eating. In conclusion, adopting a plant-based diet can lead to increased energy, improved digestion, and overall better health. So, why wait? Make the switch today and experience the transformation for yourself. Before you go, check out the link in the description for more information and resources on how to start your plant-based journey. Trust me, it will be a game changer for your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this incredible journey towards optimal health and vitality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.